Hello, friends. Welcome to your favorite English channel. My name is Anaya, and I live in New York City. I'm so happy you're here with me today. If you're learning English, this lesson will help you understand how to talk about your day from morning to night in a simple and natural way. You can listen, repeat, and learn to describe your own day in English. Now, let's begin the lesson so I can describe my day to you. Every morning, I wake up around 6:30 a.m. I like to start my day early because mornings in New York City are peaceful. When I open my eyes, I hear the faint sound of cars and birds outside. My apartment is small but cozy. The sunlight enters through my window and warms my face. I stretch my arms, take a deep breath, and say quietly, "Thank you for a new day." Then I make my bed. I think making the bed is a small success to begin the day. After that, I go to the bathroom, brush my teeth, and wash my face with cold water. It helps me wake up fully. Next, I drink a glass of warm water with lemon. My grandmother in India taught me that. It's healthy and helps me feel refreshed. I prepare breakfast, usually oatmeal with fruit or toast with peanut butter. I also make a cup of chai tea with milk and cardamom. It reminds me of home. While eating, I listen to calm music or an English podcast. I like learning something new every day, even small facts about culture, history, or language. Sometimes I open my window and look outside. The street is waking up. People are walking fast, yellow taxis are honking, and a man on the corner is selling bagels and coffee. I love that smell, fresh bread and roasted coffee beans. After breakfast, I take a quick shower, brush my hair, and choose what to wear. I usually wear something comfortable but smart, jeans, a blouse, and sneakers. Before leaving, I check my bag, wallet, phone, water bottle, and Metro card. Ready. I leave home around 8 a.m. and walk to the subway station. It takes me 10 minutes. The city feels alive, people rushing, music playing, food carts sizzling. When I reach the station, I tap my card and wait for the train. Sometimes it's crowded, sometimes quiet. I find a seat if I can. If not, I hold the pole and listen to an audiobook or simply watch people. There are all kinds of people on the subway, students, workers, tourists. Everyone looks different, but we share the same space for a short time. That's New York, full of stories. I like to look out the window and think. The train moves fast, then slows down, then speeds again. It feels like the rhythm of life, busy, then calm, then busy again. I arrive at my office in Midtown Manhattan around 8:45 a.m. I work as a graphic designer for a small marketing company. I enjoy my job because it lets me be creative and meet people from different backgrounds. When I walk in, I say, "Good morning" to my coworkers. We smile, make coffee, and chat for a minute. Then I sit at my desk, turn on my laptop, and check my emails. Every morning, I write a short to-do list. 1 finished client design project. 2 attend team meeting at 11. 3 sent presentation slides. Making a list helps me stay organized. At 10:30, I usually take a short break. I stretch, refill my water, and sometimes talk to my friend Mia. She's from Texas, and she always has funny stories about her dog. At 11, we have a quick team meeting. We discuss projects, share ideas, and sometimes laugh a lot. Our boss likes creativity and positive energy. When the meeting ends, I focus deeply on my design work. I love choosing colors, arranging shapes, and finding the perfect balance. Sometimes I listen to gentle music. It helps me think clearly. By 12:30 p.m., I'm hungry. I usually eat lunch with 2 coworkers. We walk to a cafe near Bryant Park. I like their lentil soup and avocado toast. Sometimes I try sushi or salad. While eating, we talk about life, movies, travel, family, dreams. I like these small conversations because they make the day feel friendly. After lunch, I take a short walk in the park. I watch people reading, eating, or playing chess. The sound of the fountain and the smell of trees make me calm. Then, it's back to work. Afternoons are quieter. I turn on a soft lamp at my desk and continue designing or answering emails. At 3:30, I make tea, sometimes black tea, sometimes green. It gives me a little energy. I try to finish my main tasks by 5 p.m. If I finish early, I review my projects and plan for tomorrow. Before leaving, I clean my desk. A tidy space makes me feel peaceful. When I step outside, the sky is turning pink and orange. The buildings glow in the evening light. I walk to the subway with other people, everyone moving fast, tired but happy to go home. Sometimes I stop by a grocery store or a fruit shop. I buy milk, vegetables, or snacks. I love looking at colorful fruits, mangoes, oranges, apples. They remind me of the markets in India when I would visit my grandma in summers. If I'm not too tired, I meet a friend for coffee. We sit near the window, talk about our week, and laugh. It feels good to slow down and share stories. When I reach home, I change into soft clothes and light a candle. I like my apartment to smell like vanilla. I start cooking around 7:30 p.m. Sometimes I make Indian food, rice and chicken curry. Other nights I make pasta or vegetable stir-fry. I enjoy cooking while listening to soft music. As I cook, I sometimes speak aloud in English. I say things like, I am cutting the vegetables, or now I am stirring the pot. It's a fun way to practice speaking alone. After dinner, I clean the kitchen and wash the dishes. I like to keep everything tidy before I relax. After dinner, I make a cup of hot Earl Grey tea and sit on my couch. Sometimes I read a book, sometimes I watch a show. My favorite shows are simple and positive, travel documentaries or cooking programs. I also enjoy journaling. I take a small notebook and write a few lines in English. What did I do today? What did I learn? What am I thankful for? For example, I might write, today I finished a project. I walked in the park. I ate delicious soup at lunch. I am thankful for my health, my family, and my friends. Writing helps me slow down and reflect. It's also good English practice. Sometimes I call my parents in New Jersey. We speak in a mix of English and Punjabi. They ask, did you eat? Like all Indian parents do. I laugh and say, yes, Mom, I did. By 10:30 p.m., I start getting ready for bed. I take a warm shower, brush my teeth, and put on my comfiest pajamas. Before sleeping, I like to sit quietly for a few minutes and reflect about the day. I often whisper, thank you for this day, God. Then I plan a few things for tomorrow in my head. Finally, I turn off the light and fall asleep while listening to the sounds of the city, cars, police sirens, and sometimes rain on the window. It's not always quiet, but it's New York, and I absolutely love it. When I look at my daily routine, I realize something. Life is made of small, simple moments, a good breakfast, a smile from a coworker, a walk in the park, or a quiet night at home. Learning English is a lot like that, small steps every day. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to keep going. If you're learning English, try to describe your own day like I did. Start with easy sentences. I wake up at 7. I brush my teeth. I go to work. I eat lunch with my friends. I come home. I watch a movie. I go to bed. Say these sentences aloud every day. Slowly, your confidence to speak English will grow. Remember, language is not only grammar, it's life, emotion, and rhythm. Speak it. Feel it. Practice IT daily. Thank you for spending time with me in New York today. I hope my day helped you learn new English words and practice your listening. If you enjoyed this English story, please do leave a friendly comment, like this video, and subscribe to this channel. We love creating videos for English learners around the world. Also, please do check out Udemy for full lessons on daily English conversations and much more. It's a great site to further enhance your English learning. The link is in the video description and channel banner. Also, if you'd like to support the English content work on this channel, please feel free to buy me a cup of coffee. It really helps me create more free English lessons like this one. The link is in the video description and channel banner too. I'm Anaya, and this was my day in New York City. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and remember, every small English effort makes you better. Wishing you all the best. See you soon again. Bye for now.